OMG. It's on sale, y'all. So I was going back looking through my purchases and I was like, wait, it's on sale. Now, honey, I'm glad for y'all, but salted for me. This thing is literally on sale for less than what I paid for it, not even including the additional sale that they've got it on right now. So now really is a great time to grab you one if you like this light. Now, this is the one that I have. And honey, y'all already know I love my light, but it also comes in this beautiful gold. Now, that would be beautiful in a master bedroom. I love that it comes in chrome because that's just so neutral. Now, I already showed you guys how to put this thing together in my best Fandelier assembly and install video. Now, I don't know how long they're going to have this thing on sale, so don't say I didn't tell you, honey. Now, I like that they show you it comes in these different light settings, but there are so many settings on this light, even a night light. So that's not even half of the settings. I think there's like maybe 6 different settings on mine. Now, I really love that this thing comes with a remote control because I don't have to worry about my kids playing with the light switch. Plus, I don't have to worry about losing the remote because there's an app you can download to work this light. I love that. Now let's get into why I chose this light. Black makes a bold statement. And I didn't have to worry about matching it with my accessories. I could just pretty much do anything with it. Now let's take a close look at this light. That's my light in my home. It is gorgeous. This thing is so magnificent from the outside at nighttime. When someone is driving past your home, it's just beautiful. It just makes a statement. It looks so expensive, but it wasn't. And that's what I love about it. It is a very, very good addition to a home. And I know when I first bought my home, had I saw this light, I would have fallen in love. It's just not your traditional fan. The best thing that I love about this is, number one, you don't look up at the ceiling and see dust. And even if it's time to clean it, you just close those blaze ends. How perfect is that? You gotta get this light, honey. And I know you just found me, so please subscribe to my channel. A little bit of me, honey.